It's important to really just look back and realize how far you have come from where you started. That's why it's important to have your reason why. It's important to keep that in mind and think long term. Stop thinking short term. Stop thinking overnight success. You're gonna have to put in the work. You're gonna have to grind, and you're gonna have to shine, baby. So I go through the same emotions we all go through. We want to be popular. We want to be big on social media. We want to impact millions of people, but it takes time to get there. And the people that are there, like, go ahead and ask them. Ask them how long they've been doing content creation. Look at their YouTube account. Look at their Instagram. How long have they been posting for? It's just important to understand that and recognize, ooh, we got hot pink. And it's important to recognize that nothing happens overnight, guys. You really do have to tame that beast within and channel it. I wake up every single morning and wish I could just plan a content creation day and plan motovlogs all day and just talk to you guys and ride around and meet new people and network and socialize. Like, I wish I could do all that, but I can't, and it's frustrating, and it literally hurts my soul. It hurts my heart that I'm not there yet, but I just have to keep grinding. I got a family to take care of, and if I don't even do it for them, I have to do it for me. I got people that are counting on me. I got people to take care of. But the most important thing out of all of this is I have to take care of me. I'll be damned if I'm on my deathbed living with regrets that I didn't even try. So really try to shift your perspective, shift your mindset, and think about where you've come from. Think about your end goal and where you're going to be if you keep doing this. Good things come to those who are hardworking, who are truthful to themselves, who are dedicated, who are consistent. There's no secret sauce to this, guys. Be consistent, provide value, be passionate. Everyone has a different success story. And because it's been working with me, that's why I'm shedding this light to you guys. Trust the process. Trust in your dreams. Trust in what you're doing. And I promise you, you will come out ahead someday. You have to go through the dark times to see the light. You gotta go through bad days to know what a good day feels like. And that's what's getting me through these times. I know that I'm gonna get where I need to be. Just mark my words, guys. I don't care if it takes me 10 days or 10 years. I'm not giving up. I can't give up. If you guys are feeling stuck, if you're feeling unhappy about where you're at, and you're just ready to quote-unquote break free, use that as fuel. Use that as fuel to your fire, so that way you can go out and inspire. Damn, I'm good with these. I didn't even try to do that. But no, use that as fire, guys. Seriously, go out there and just keep grinding, keep pushing, be creative, be yourself. At the end of the day, just be yourself, guys. This is something that we all struggle with, that we all deal with. I hope so, at least. I don't want to feel crazy, so please let me know in the comments if you guys ever deal with these emotions of just wanting the good life, just wanting it but not having it. And let me know how you deal with that. Let me know what helps you guys, because like I said, this channel is not to put on a front. This channel is to connect with you guys. This channel is to relate and let you guys know that, like, I go through these same emotions. I go through the same problems. I go through the same battles as you at home, and I want to show you guys that you can do it. I want to show you guys it's possible. So please, if you guys are struggling, message me, hit me up on Instagram, comment on this video, subscribe, like, you know the deal. We're out of here. Peace.